This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Krita. So I think I'm pronouncing that right, Krita. You can find it at krita.org/download. I'm right here on the main downloads page. Now I will put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and you'll wind up on this page and you won't need to go searching or anything. So there's lots of different versions right here. It's correctly identified that I'm on a Mac system, so we've got the Mac OS installer here. If you're on a Windows system, this will say Windows installer, so it will identify which system you're on. So there are other options. There's plenty of different versions for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac OS. So in general, you will click on this big blue download button right here for the Mac OS installer. So we're going to click on that button and you'll see the icon just went flying up in the top right corner, which is a short sign on a Mac that is downloaded. We have been redirected to this page as well. So depending on your browser, you will find your downloads location. I'm on Google Chrome, so it goes straight to the downloads folder on my Mac, and you will find the installer there. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Krita, or Krita even, useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.